All right, ladies, so today I am excited because I am getting ready for my date with Professor P, and Megalook Hair just sent me some hair so I can look bomb on our date. So I am excited. That's why I'm in a good mood. They give me this little bag with just some cute items in there. Look, a little headband, you know, brush for the baby hairs, wig cap, some bobby pins, and a clip to clip your hair. So I'm like, yes, thank you, Megalook. I'm gonna take the wig cap first. It smells a little crazy. Put that wig cap on, ladies. This hair is so beautiful, y'all. Like, oh my god, I was actually shocked that it was so pretty. This is actually the 13 by 6 Brazilian body wave lace front wig in 24 inches. I love this hair. Like, I think that this is honestly probably I'm not even just saying this because it's a sponsored video, but like, this is probably my favorite hair I've ever gotten. But y'all see right here, we got a clip. Come on, snip, snippity snip the lace off so it can look like it's mine. Okay. This hair is so good, y'all. Like, it is true to length. It literally, like, it feels so good to touch it. Like, it's just so silky and smooth, honestly. But it's true to length. There is very little shedding, which I loved. I was brushing it, and it was so much less than a lot of wigs that I usually have, which I love. It did not come with a bad smell. The smell was great. Like, the wig cap smelled weird, but other than that, the hair actually just smelled fine. It is so easy to curl. You can dye this hair. It's just like amazing. And I love too that they put a nice amount of baby hairs on this. So it's like, okay, thank you. You guys literally kind of did some of the hard work. Instead of having to cut my own baby hairs, they already provided it. So I just love with this hair, I love to just wand curl it because I think that the curls come out really super sexy and sultry. So that's all I'm doing right here. I'm just wanding it, and make sure you guys get a glove. Also, with the wanding, something that I like to do that I did not do right here is actually just take a little bit of edge control, like some gel or some, you know, edge control, and to put the product, just a little bit of it on the hair and then wand curl it, because it will make your curls last for longer. If you do it the way that I'm just doing it in the video with no product in it, then the curls will fall much quicker. I'm happy right there. Happy dance. Because I'm getting ready for this date with my man, okay? Well, he's not my man yet, but y'all know. Boom. And this is the final look, guys. I wanded it so it looks so super sexy and sultry. Like, I just think that it looks like that early 1900s vibe. I'm just feeling like so pretty. And now I got to get them baby hairs, okay? I like to do my baby hairs very, very, very simple, because I know a lot of people, they kind of do them really dramatic, but I don't even do my normal baby hairs dramatic. So I like to just take out a little bit just so that it looks natural, but it doesn't look obvious that I just tried to do baby hairs. So that's why it's thin. But you can do your baby hairs as thick or as dramatic as you want, sis. Boom, swoop. There we go. Swoop. And you see how that little bit of baby hair makes it look like it's literally coming from your scalp. It's crazy. And here's the final result, guys. This is how my hair is going to be looking when I, you know, have my little date with my man tonight. I wonder if he'll like it. What y'all think? Comment down below. Tell me if you think Professor P will like my hair. Look, y'all, I don't care what y'all doing. Y'all need to go get you some Megalook hair right now, okay? If you got a date, if you don't have a date, but you just want to look fine and look amazing, go get this hair right now. All the information is in my description, so go click on it and get y'all some hair. I'm telling y'all, like, I'm not lying. This is literally my favorite hair. If y'all could feel how nice this is. I literally had ladies, I just went out of town, and when I was there, I had ladies picking my wig up, asking me can they try it on, and if I took it off for the day and I was just at the house, I literally saw people, even without asking me, taking this wig and trying it on, looking in the mirror, because they were like, oh, I need this. So go get y'all this wig before it's sold out, okay? Love y'all.
In my world, you should just be my lady. Listen to my proposition.